Have you been anxiously waiting for additional support during these challenging economic times? Well, the wait is finally over. In a groundbreaking announcement that's sending waves through the financial community, the Internal Revenue Service has officially confirmed that $3,600 stimulus checks will be bundled with Social Security Administration payments this August. But here's where it gets even better: we're looking at a double deposit week that's set to provide unprecedented financial relief to eligible Americans. You might be wondering, how is this different from previous stimulus payments? Unlike earlier rounds, this newly approved package specifically targets families and individuals who've been hit hardest by recent economic challenges. The IRS has streamlined the distribution process, working in close coordination with the Social Security Administration to ensure seamless delivery of these funds. Think about it: when was the last time we saw such a significant financial boost combined with regular SSA payments? Let's break down what this means for you. If you're currently receiving Social Security benefits, whether it's retirement, disability, or SSI, you're potentially in line for this substantial payment. The IRS has confirmed that the $3,600 stimulus checks will be automatically deposited alongside your regular August Social Security payment. No separate application is needed. Isn't that a relief? But here's the crucial part many people are missing: the double deposit week mechanism is designed to prevent any delays or administrative bottlenecks. Are you curious about the qualification criteria? The IRS has established clear guidelines, and they're more inclusive than previous stimulus programs. For individuals with adjusted gross incomes under $75,000 and married couples filing jointly with incomes under $150,000, the full $3,600 payment is guaranteed. But don't worry if you're slightly above these thresholds, there's a gradual phase-out system in place, ensuring partial payments for those with higher incomes. Now, here's something that's catching many people off guard: the timing of these payments. The August distribution isn't just a random choice. The IRS strategically selected this timeframe to coincide with the regular SSA payment schedule, creating what they're calling a double deposit week. This means eligible recipients will see both their regular Social Security payment and the $3,600 stimulus check hit their accounts within the same week. Have you ever imagined getting two substantial deposits in such a short timeframe? The final approval process, which has been the subject of intense speculation, has finally been completed. This wasn't just a simple rubber stamp exercise, it involved multiple layers of verification and coordination between various government agencies. The Treasury Department, Social Security Administration, and IRS worked tirelessly to ensure every eligible recipient would receive their payment without unnecessary complications. Doesn't it feel good to know that these agencies are working together to make this process as smooth as possible? But here's where you need to pay close attention: the distribution schedule. While the payments are confirmed for August, the exact deposit dates will vary depending on your regular Social Security payment schedule. For those who typically receive their Social Security benefits on the second Wednesday of the month, you'll be in the first wave of stimulus payments. Recipients in the third and fourth Wednesday groups will follow accordingly. Have you checked which payment group you belong to? The impact of these payments cannot be overstated. Economic analysts are projecting that this injection of funds will provide significant relief to millions of Americans still grappling with inflation and rising costs. For families struggling with increased grocery prices, utility bills, and healthcare expenses, this $3,600 boost couldn't come at a better time. When was the last time you saw such a substantial financial assistance program targeting those who need it most? Here's something that's been flying under the radar: the multiplier effect these payments will have on local economies. When recipients spend these funds on goods and services in their communities, it creates a ripple effect of economic activity. Small businesses, which have been particularly vulnerable during recent economic challenges, stand to benefit significantly. Isn't it amazing how a program designed to help individuals can have such far-reaching positive effects? The verification process for these payments has been streamlined, but that doesn't mean you should be complacent. While most eligible recipients won't need to take any action, it's crucial to ensure your information with the Social Security Administration is up to date. Have you checked if your direct deposit information is current? What about your mailing address if you receive paper checks? These simple verifications can prevent unnecessary delays in receiving your payment. Now, let's address some common concerns that have been flooding social media. Yes, these payments are legitimate. No, they won't affect your regular Social Security benefits. And perhaps most importantly, These stimulus checks won't be counted as income for purposes of determining eligibility for federal benefits programs. Isn't it reassuring to know that this additional support won't jeopardize other benefits you might be receiving? The IRS has also implemented enhanced security measures to protect recipients from fraud and scams. Remember, neither the IRS nor the Social Security Administration will ever call, email, or text you asking for personal information related to these payments. Have you encountered any suspicious communications claiming to be about these stimulus checks? It's crucial to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities. For those wondering about the tax implications, here's some good news: these stimulus payments are not taxable income. You won't need to report them on your 2023 tax return, and they won't affect your tax bracket or liability. Doesn't this make the financial planning aspect much simpler? The technology behind this massive distribution effort is impressive. The IRS has upgraded its systems to handle the simultaneous processing of millions of payments while maintaining accuracy and security. The integration with the Social Security Administration's payment systems has been seamless, ensuring that recipients won't experience the delays that characterized some previous stimulus distributions. When you think about it, isn't it remarkable how far we've come in terms of efficient government payment systems? Looking ahead, financial experts are already analyzing the potential long-term impacts of this program. Some predict that this injection of funds could help prevent a recession, while others see it as a crucial lifeline for families trying to build emergency savings. Have you thought about how you'll use these funds to strengthen your financial position? For those who might be new to receiving government benefits or who have questions about the process, the IRS has established dedicated support channels. Their website has been updated with comprehensive information about the stimulus payments, and their phone support system has been enhanced to handle increased call volumes. Isn't it helpful to know that assistance is readily available if you need it? Remember, these stimulus checks are part of a broader economic support strategy. They're designed not just to provide immediate relief, but to help stabilize household finances and promote economic recovery. When you consider the multiplier effect of millions of Americans receiving these payments, the potential positive impact on the national economy becomes clear. Have you considered how this program might affect your community's economic recovery? As we wrap up this breaking news update, let's recap the key points about these $3,600 stimulus checks. They're confirmed. They're coming in August. They'll be combined with SSA payments, and they've received final approval. The double deposit week mechanism ensures efficient distribution, and the streamlined process means minimal hassle for recipients. Isn't it exciting to see such a well-organized support program coming to fruition? Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you want to stay informed about future updates on stimulus payments, Social Security benefits, and other crucial financial news. Your financial well-being matters, and we're here to keep you informed every step of the way. Have you shared this important information with friends and family who might benefit from knowing about these upcoming payments? What are your thoughts on these stimulus checks? How do you plan to use these funds? Share your perspectives in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn from each other's experiences and insights. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and keep an eye on your accounts this August for that double deposit.